Hi Carlo and Bernadette, this is Greg Noyes of Pacific West Home Inspections, and I'm just finishing up your inspection of the day is Tuesday, January 31st, 2012. Thanks for using my services. I'm going to go over a couple things. One is how to shut off the water. At the very front of the house there's a valve here, and you can shut the water off by turning this valve, and that'll shut off all the water in the house. The next thing we're going to look at is how to shut off the gas. The gas meter is located on the left exterior of the house, and as we're in the city of LA, it's required to have a seismic gas shut-off valve. Now the way that works, on a 5.4 earthquake, this box here will automatically shut off the gas to the house. Now if you need to manually shut off the gas, where this yellow pipe comes up from the soil, there's a valve here, and you just turn this tab with a wrench 90 degrees and that will shut off the gas. On the right exterior of the house is your electrical meter, and that's what we're going to do next. Your electrical meter is made by a company called Federal Pacific, and this type of panel has known latent defects, so we always recommend that you upgrade and remove it and put a newer type of panel in. It is protected by a 100 amp breaker, and if you need to shut the power off, you just flip the breaker over to the left and that will shut off the power. The other thing I was going to talk about is your water heater, and your water heater is located in a closet at the left side of the house, and there are a couple conditions that need to be upgraded. One, this vent connector here needs to have 3 screws attached, metal screws. Second thing is the insulation on the connectors here should be insulated. This side valve here is what we call a TPR valve. It's a temperature pressure relief valve. So if your water heater over pressurizes, you'll have steam coming out of this hole. So there's a threaded joint here. We want a pipe to come down to the floor so you don't get steam in your face. And it does have 2 siphon straps. And the very bottom here of the gas line, we want to see what we call a sediment trap. And a diagram for that is located on page 14 of that maintenance book I handed you earlier today. Again, this is Greg Noyes of Pacific West Home Inspections, and thank you very much for letting me do your inspection today, and congratulations on your house. And I can be reached at www.ehomeinspector.com, or you can reach me at 818-362-5578.